Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Big Steve TV. Today is my favorite holiday, Independence Day, 4th of July. The day that a bunch of farmers declared independence from Britain and then whooped their tail. But yeah, so we're here at Shelton Fireworks. We're about to load up on some fireworks because we're gonna shoot off into a huge show tonight. We got the crew here today. We got Greg and Brandon and Bethany, the whole crew. And we're gonna go in here and see what we can buy, give you a little tour of the fireworks shop, and we're gonna spend some money because we're gonna get a bunch. And we might tie Greg to one later tonight and shoot him off with it. I don't know, we haven't decided yet. But yeah, we're gonna go in here. See you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned. And this is when you first walk in. Look at all the fireworks. It's a whole warehouse full. I don't know what we're gonna get first. There's so many things to look at. Let's see. Bethany, what are you thinking? What should we get?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go? Back corner?
Back corner.
Left corner? Okay, we'll go back here first. We'll go back here. Well guys, we already got a little carried away. And we've only been in the back corner. And we've already got a buggy full of stuff. I don't know, there's so many more things to look at. Look at this place. Look at this place. It's huge. There's fireworks everywhere. Greg, what do you think?
It's awesome. A lot of fireworks.
It seems so just not genuine at all.
We need to match the colors up.
That's right.
That way we strategically plan it.
That's right. Greg's on our firework committee.
Yes, I am.
Brandon, what do you think? Exactly. Alright guys, so we're on the last leg of getting fireworks. Right now we're sitting at $485.77 for the fireworks. That's without taxes. You know the government's got to steal from us, as much as I love America. But yeah, this is our cart so far. We're kind of loaded down. We've got about $20 more we can get. And last year when we came up here, when we bought them, they were like, you gotta take these out to your car and you can come back in, you get like another $100 worth of free fireworks. I don't know if they're doing that this year, but hopefully. But yeah, so we're gonna go find about $20 more stuff, and we're gonna call it a day here getting stuff, unless they give us some free stuff, and then we'll come back in. But yeah, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so we just unloaded our first load of fireworks. They're in the truck, they almost didn't fit. And now we get to go back in and get another $138 worth for free, tax-free and everything. We may get a little bit more, and then we'll get like one of the really big boxes, and it will only be like 30 bucks or something for like a $150 thing, you know. But hey, that's what we got. Big Steve TV. Thanks, man. And we got a new subscriber just like that. But yeah, we're gonna go in here and get some more fireworks, and then we're gonna head back to the house. Maybe we'll have something to eat on the way back or something. But we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we just got back from getting our free fireworks. So in total, when we first went in there, we got, come on now, focus. $538.85 worth of fireworks. And then we got to go back in and get another free and tax-free $135 and some change worth of fireworks. We ended up getting a little more than that, and they didn't charge us for it, so that was fantastic. And but yeah, we got our fireworks. How y'all feeling about the fireworks? Okay, that's good. Yeah. I guess me and Brandon or Greg are gonna set them off tonight. That's what we did last year. And we may have to get one more person as many as we have. I don't know. We're gonna set them up earlier this year though, Last year we didn't do it until it got dark and it was pretty rough. There's a lot of pauses in between the launching of fireworks. So this year we're going to try to keep it fluid and smooth and efficient, make a good show, and obviously you guys will get to see that. But now we're going to head back, probably get some lunch, and eat a little bit, and then we're supposed to go over to some friends' houses where we're shooting the fireworks, and around 3 I guess we're going to eat dinner and hang out. Try and I need to find some cornhole boards. Know anybody with cornhole boards? That's enough. Okay.
I don't think so.
Well, we'll figure something. I may get some water balloons or something. Have a water balloon find. But yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in just a little bit. I don't know when the next update will be or what it'll be, but there will be. We'll see you then. All right, guys. So we got all our fireworks set up. We got them all. You can see we got a whole yard full of fireworks. We got a whole yard full of fireworks, and it's gonna get real. I'm gonna have my GoPro on light these, so y'all kind of see that. I'm gonna try to set this camera up so you can see the whole show as we're launching them off, or at least let somebody hold it and do it. I don't know. Gotta find a good camera person. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to do this. We did this, started it last year. It wasn't as big. We made it bigger this year. I think we have like 400 something. As you can hear, they're shooting off bottle rockets already. And but yeah, we're about to go play with some Roman candles, some firecrackers, and some sparklers and stuff. We got next year, hopefully we're gonna be bigger and better than this. But right now, we're just gonna have some fun, and when it gets dark, we'll start with the fireworks show. I wanna be on camera. Y'all excited?
Yes.
Another fireworks? Yeah. We got Brandon and Greg already playing with stuff. But we're gonna go up here and play with some Roman candles and firecrackers and some sparklers real quick. And then we'll get started with the real fireworks show. So we'll see you guys in just a little bit. This is our camera crew.
Hi.
This is Bethany, and Becca.
Yep.
They're professionals. I hired them just for this. Paying them in stride gum. This is our audience here. Everybody say hey.
Hey. Happy 4th.
Y'all excited for the fireworks?
Yes. I'll sitting there trying to hide over there.
Got them. Alright, we're going to be getting started as soon as it gets dark out here. Probably another... What time is it? Anybody know what time it is? I got it. Oh, my phone's up there too. But we're going to get started here in a minute when it gets dark. It's already, as you can see, the sun's setting already. The nice Georgia sunset. We got the pond down there. Hey, Brandon! Hey! But we'll get started here in a minute, and we'll let y'all, hopefully this will be able to catch most of it. It's gonna be shooting pretty high, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna get started in a minute, see you in a little bit.
having a fun time out here. Hi. All right, we're gonna have a fun night. They're setting off the fireworks soon, so yeah.
well, hopefully y'all enjoyed that. I am pretty tired now. I'm sweating like crazy. Hopefully that's a good show. I don't know, I'm gonna review the footage. If it's good, hopefully it's good. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed that, and we'll do this again next year. Obviously I'm gonna have some more videos coming out, so if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps tremendously. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers. That would be amazing. But it's baby steps. We're not even at 20 yet. Hopefully by the time this video is up, we'll already have 20. And you know, I'd like to get to 100 as fast as I can, but thank you guys for the support, the ones that watch it every time. And if you haven't subscribed and you already watch all of them, please subscribe, do the notifications, and you'll get a notification every time I post a video, so you can watch them as fast as they come out. But love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Big C's TV. Out.